Yo, in this video we're gonna use effect and try to create a timer. So let's begin. First of all, what we're gonna do, we create file use effect with TypeScript. It's not really that so much will be typing, but the main thing, we create a timer. First of all, what we're gonna do, see, then we add use state with the use effect. Then what we're gonna do, create a use state const, then the name will be value and set value. Okay, not and that. Use state and put, I don't know, 1 second probably, it's fine. What we're gonna do, then we create use effect, then arrow function, that, and then what it does, it's return either void or return a void or undefined. So it's just re-render one time. Then what gonna do, we create second function with the name timer handler. Then we write window, set interval, once again, then we put set values, and what we're gonna write in set values, it should be num what it's actual value, and we're gonna return function with the actual value that can mutate with add +1, and we gonna do, I think, put 1 second. It's converted for milliseconds, 1000, that will be at least a slower. And then we gonna return. Okay, probably I write something wrong. Okay, my bad. In this, because, and then what we're gonna do, return function with window clear and the function that one. And the last thing what we gonna do, add array, save it, and last thing, it will be p with the value what we expect to get, and we should try npm runs start the server. So it's everything okay, it should be good, and we get the value in the DOM. We need wait a little bit second, because my computer it's not so great. Sorry for that. Okay, that's good. What we're gonna do? Okay, at least it's rendered. Okay, something went wrong. Oh, I forgot to add use effect. That's and then okay. We can see we get a timer who just calculate every 1 second. So that's all.